describe reinforcement learning to a layman? Like, go to the basics here.
Absolutely. Well, the first thing there I would note is the word reinforcement itself. It holds most of the definition. Reinforcement learning is about teaching a machine how to take helpful actions by reinforcing them with rewards, and to avoid harmful ones by reinforcing them with a cost. A cost is actually the inverse of reward, so they're really the same thing. So they can be interchanged, right? So minimizing cost is the same as maximizing reward. A cost is a negative reward, and a reward is a negative cost. We thus teach a machine the same way that we teach a dog a trick, sticks and carrots, if you will, except that both rewards and costs are given in terms of numbers, and that long-term value of taking certain actions is considered, and not just the short-term reward. Also, future expected rewards are discounted for the reason that they are less certain to be reaped, and also the passing of time has a cost of its own. If you play chess against an opponent, for example, your reward for playing well is to win. You receive a positive number of points. And this is mimicked for the machine by rewarding its policy in a similar way in which human play would be rewarded. Note that an action can never be taken with perfect predictability, as this would make it easy for the opponent to learn your strategy. Instead of predictable actions, then, what is learned is a policy, which is to say a few beneficial actions in each contingency, together with the probabilities, to enact them in such a way that they're optimal. If you have taken a game theory course or a course on optimal control theory, this should all be familiar. Else, I'm afraid this will sound a bit foreign. In the case that these last ideas are foreign, just think that we're optimizing a whole strategy of potential actions and probabilities of taking them, those actions, that also include an optimal level of surprise for the opponent.